Flaxseed smoothies have gained popularity for their potential in aiding weight loss. We'll explore the benefits of flaxseed smoothies, how to prepare them, and tips for maximizing their effectiveness in your weight loss journey. The power of flaxseed smoothie in weight loss. Flax seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that can support your weight loss goals. Their high fiber content helps keep you feeling full, reducing your overall calorie intake. Here's a simple recipe to get you started on your weight loss journey. 1 tablespoon ground flax seeds, 1 cup unsweetened, almond milk, 1/2 cup, Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup, mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 teaspoon honey, a handful of ice cubes. Instructions: place all ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, pour into a glass and enjoy. The benefits of flaxseed smoothies. Be mindful of calorie intake and portion sizes to avoid overconsumption. Balance nutrients, ensure your smoothie contains a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fat. Hydration, drink plenty of water alongside your smoothies to support digestion and overall health. Exercise, complement your smoothie regimen with regular physical activity to boost weight loss. Potential side effects. While flaxseed smoothies offer numerous health benefits, consuming excessive amounts of flax seeds may lead to digestive issues. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. Consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns about allergies or medical conditions. Flaxseed smoothies can be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. By incorporating them into a balanced diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle and achieve your weight loss goals. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.